So welcome back again to my Skumawiki video. I was trying to really make sure that I don't make you guys wait for so long, so that's why I did not take you through the process of watching my food heat up in the sufuria and in my jiko. So if you have any issue with your health, that is mostly constipation or your skin or your hair, try as much and eat greens. They are everywhere right now and you can always get them at an affordable price. As a comrade right now, kama wewe ni student, tafadhali sukuma ni 5 bob sahi, unaweza enda ununue ujikatie katia, mwambie mama mboga kukatie. You are saving yourself from a lot of health risk by just eating very healthy food. So some of the possible health benefits of Skumawiki may include protecting against heart disease, helping prevent constipation. Sikule chipo kila siku, that's why you're having maybe constipation, and also may improve your bone, skin and hair health. So in case maybe you've eaten your greens properly, you've been eating, watching your diet and everything, and there's still no change after eating these greens, kindly make sure that you visit a healthcare professional so that you are given a way forward. So these are my Skumawiki guys, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and also after trying this recipe, kindly guys come back and say thank you, come and say that it helped you, or also give us more recipes on what we should be cooking on our next video. Bye guys.